In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the Pages panel on Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening your website dashboard. This is where you manage the structure and content of your site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Website, or in some versions, Pages. This will open the Pages panel, which is where you can view, organize, and manage the pages on your website. At the top of this panel, you will usually see the main navigation section. This area shows the pages that appear in your website's top menu. In other words, these are the pages visitors can easily access when they browse your site. It is helpful to think of this section as your public-facing navigation. Next, look for the Not Linked section. This contains active pages that are still live on the web, but they do not appear in your top website menu. This is useful for pages you want to keep available by direct link, without displaying them in the main navigation. For example, you might use this area for landing pages or temporary content. If you want to change the order of pages in your navigation, simply click and drag any page up or down. Squarespace updates the order based on where you place it, so this is a quick way to reorganize your menu and control how visitors move through your site. You can also change whether a page appears in your menu by dragging it between sections. If you drag a page from main navigation down to Not Linked, it will no longer show in your top menu, even though the page can still remain live. If you drag a page from Not Linked back into main navigation, it becomes visible in your website menu again. To add something new, click the plus icon next to either section. This gives you options to create new blank pages, choose from layouts, add folders, or create collection sets. This is useful when you are expanding your site and want to keep everything organized from the beginning. Finally, if you hover over any page title, you will see a gear icon. Click that settings icon to open more page options. From there, you can edit the page URL slug, adjust SEO settings, or set a page password if needed. These settings help you fine-tune how the page works and how it appears both to visitors and search engines. That covers everything you need to know.